Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100 initially did rally a bit during the trading session on Wednesday, but has given back quite a bit. So, with that being said, the market ended up forming something close to a shooting star in the afternoon, and I think a pullback from here does make a certain amount of sense. I think ultimately that should be a buying opportunity, though, because we are clearly bullish and we did break to a fresh all time high sometime during the session. The 22,000 level is an area that I think a lot of people will be watching closely on a pullback. So I would consider buying that bounce if we in fact do get it. If we break above the top of the candlestick, that's an extraordinarily bullish breakout. And then at that point in time, I think you probably see the NASDAQ 100 just simply take off to the upside. The NASDAQ 100 has been leading the other indices in the United States, so it is worth noting that even if you're not trading this market, you could watch the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, whatever. I don't have any interest in shorting any of the US indices, but the least of which that I have any desire would be this market. It is far too strong, and you just simply cannot argue with this type of momentum. It's a great way to lose money. So I'm looking at dips as potential buying opportunities in a market that, quite frankly, continues to outperform everything else. That doesn't mean we can't drop. It doesn't mean that the trend can't change. It just means that right now, at least, it looks like everything is pointing to higher levels. And quite frankly, despite the fact that we did sell off at the end of the day, there's just so much in the way of bullish pressure over the last couple of months that it's almost impossible to get bearish now.